Namaste children. In our earlier block we understood about digestion process. So let us start a new block, that is block 10, excretion. And in our block 10 excretion of LP1 part, we are going to learn the various organs of excretions in our body. Different organs that are excreting the waste materials from our body, we are going to learn in our LP1 topic. So our main aim of today's class is to identify the organs that are helping in the excretion of waste materials from the body. So to understand in this today's class, we are having some keywords like abdomen, excretory organs, wastes and feces. Okay, abdomen means it is a part of the body that is present below the chest. Okay,
Abdomen. The part of the body present below the chest.
okay. Now the second one, excretory organs. Excretory organs means those body parts which are removing the waste from the body.
Excretory organs. The body parts that get rid of body wastes.
The third one is wastes. Waste means those substances which are unwanted by the body, that should be removed time to time from our body.
Wastes. The substances produced by the body that need to be removed.
Now the fourth one, that is feces. Feces, it is the solid unwanted particles formed at the end of our digestion.
Feces. The waste matter that is left behind after the food has been digested.
So these are the keywords: abdomen, excretory organs, wastes and feces. Today we will come across these keywords. So to understand our class, let's do one activity. Observe this picture carefully children. If you will observe this picture carefully, you will find that a lot of waste that is removed from different industries or household and released into the water stream. Here if you will see a waste that is getting released from the factories and releasing in a form of gas, here means waste is the thing that is unwanted to us. It became unwanted because there is no use of it. We are not using it. In other ways it is not even helpful to us. Such substances or such materials, we are saying it as a waste. So the unwanted useless particles, we are saying it as a waste. So now that waste should be removed time to time from the place where it is produced. Okay, so to understand the different excretory organs, what type of waste they are removing from the body, let's watch the video.
Our body excretes wastes through lungs, kidneys, skin, rectum and anus. The urinary system and skin remove wastes from our body in the liquid form. Lungs remove carbon dioxide gas. Rectum and anus remove the undigested solid food. Our body excretes.
Yes children, here if you will see, you can see various organs that are removing waste from the body. Like one is your lungs, second one is your kidneys, third one is your skin itself, and fourth one is your large intestine. So these are the various organs that are helpful in the removal of the waste from the body. As the organs are getting differed here, the waste material that is removed from these organs is also getting differed. If you will see the lungs, Here the lungs are releasing carbon dioxide, which is a waste from our body. A large intestine, it is releasing the solid waste, that is feces, from our body. A skin and kidneys, they are releasing the liquid waste from the body, where a skin it is releasing the liquid waste in a form of sweat, but the kidneys, if you will see, they are releasing the liquid waste in a form of urine. So there are various organs that are present in our body which are meant for removing the waste material from the body. All such organs are called your excretory organs. What we are saying to those organs, we are calling those organs as a excretory organs. Okay, so now after watching this activity video, let us try to see what are wastes that are formed in our body. Can you tell what are the different wastes? One is your carbon dioxide, one is your feces, one is your sweat, and even the urine. So these are some of the waste materials that are produced in our body. Okay, next one, that is which organs remove the waste materials, where they are located in the body. So if it is a carbon dioxide, it is removed by the lungs. It is present in the chest cavity region. If it is your urine, it is removed by the kidneys. They are present near the abdomen region, lower abdomen region. If it is your sweat, it is released by skin. Skin is the outer protective layer present all over the body. Now large intestine, lower abdomen region, where it is releasing the waste, that is feces. Okay, now if you will see, what will happen if these wastes are not removed from the body? If you are not removing these waste materials from the body, what is going to happen? If we won't remove these waste materials from the body, waste will get accumulated in the body. And when the waste it is getting accumulated in the body, it leads to osmotic imbalance, or it leads to unhealthy condition, and finally leads to death of ours. Okay children, so waste from different body parts, it must be removed by the body, same as how the waste that is released from the factories and industries and even from the homes. Okay, chalo, now let us do your worksheet children. So in the worksheet, at first they are asking you, fill the blanks with the words from the book. Yes, the first one, dash is the gaseous waste produced in our body. Can you tell the gaseous waste that is produced in our body? Definitely, very good. It's your carbon dioxide. Okay, now the second question, that is many wastes are removed from the body with water in the form of. So what are the different two forms of liquid waste? One is your sweat, which is released by the skin. The second one is your urine, that is prepared and filtered by the kidneys. Okay, let us move to the second question. So in the second question, they are asking you, choose the words from the box and label the excretory organ. So now a picture it is given to you, and now 4 options are given. You have to pick up those and you have to label them now. So the first one is kidneys. Kidneys are present in the abdomen region. So these are the kidneys, a bean shaped kidneys. Now the second one is lungs. They are present in the chest cavity region. Now the third one is skin. Skin is covering all over the body. Now rectum. Rectum is present down in the lower abdomen region. Okay. So now the third question children, if you will see, how will our body be affected if we are not able to pass out under undigested waste? So if you are not removing this undigested waste, rectum will get filled up with this undigested waste. Slowly, large intestine is also occupied by the undigested waste, and there is no absorption of water and minerals takes place from the large intestine, and it leads to finally unhealthy condition. Okay children, so now let us go with the practice questions that are there in your textbook. So in the practice questions, the first question, if you will see, the waste gas given out from our nose is, very good, it's a carbon dioxide. Our skin gives out a liquid waste is known as, of course it's a sweat. Okay, now the second question, how is the waste removed by the lungs different from that of removed by the kidneys? Lungs are removing a waste called carbon dioxide, which is present in a gaseous form, and kidneys are removing a waste, that is urine, which is present in a liquid form. Okay, now the next question children, next question, if you will see, why is it necessary to remove the waste from the body? It's highly important to remove the waste from the body, as waste leads to unhealthiness, diseases, etc. Okay, waste accumulation leads to unhealthiness, it causes diseases, so we should remove the waste on regular time periods from our body. Okay children, after watching the video, complete your worksheet and practice questions from the textbook.